closing, I just want to say to each and every one of you, like your culture, our drums to us, it's the beat of our heart, but it's also the beat of your heart. We tell our people, sometimes you might need this medicine for yourselves. Maybe you left home this morning and your heart was heavy, or you have a loved one at home not doing well, or you have a loved one in a hospital, or maybe you just laid a loved one to rest. But I'll say to each and every one of you, this is when you pray for yourself most of all, but also pray for your family. If you believe in our songs will help you their medicine. Ostiam, have a beautiful day. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अकेडमी के आशीर्वाद स्वामी वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।